Take. 500, 1,000, ɗari biyar, dubu ɗaya. Wannan ɗari biyar. Amma ina so ka ɗiba min daga can. Banga albasan ɗari biyar. Ɗari biyar. Ka bani. Nawa ne? Carrot. Kaɗan kawai nake so.
Guys, after leaving this market, I thought I misplaced money. I had to keep withdrawing because the prices I had in mind I would get those items for increased ridiculously. These tiny pieces of garlic were sold for 200 naira and 3 pieces of ginger were sold for 500 naira. I was shocked. And these are ingredients I don't joke with in my meals. I cook most of my meals with ginger and garlic. So from here I proceeded to get other things and I was still getting shocked at the prices of items.
No, no green pepper. Daddy? Koi? Ba dari uku ba. Ba yellow. I know, wannan jari. Oh, gashi kuma okay, just give me 500 naira. Yellow pepper no ne, barin aje kaya.
Yellow pepper babba ko karami?
No ne babba, karami no ne.
Wannan 1,500.
Eh? 1,500 wannan?
Wannan wallahi abin sai hakuri.
Ka ban karamin a 1,000.
What do you mean inside bundle?
Kaji?
What the top? Kice mi?
Ba ni karamin a 1,000 mana.
Ya fi 1,000.
Ya fi 1,000.
Dozin din shi 12,000. Kilo din shi.
Jaffa. One.
Wallahi abin ne sai hakuri.
To ina so kananan ja karami babba amin yellow karami na ne za ka kan guda
1,500. Wannan 1,500. Wannan kudin su guda ɗaya.
Cire min kudin mana, cire min wannan.
Kawo 2,500 guda biyu zan ce ne. Aya kai to.
Gashi.
Ba za ki ce karar ba?
A'a. Nawa ne?
Dari biyar ne.
Gashi ba dari biyar.
Nagode.
Nagode.
I want to show to the person.
How much?
From 1,000.
1,000 naira.
Water leaf.
Water leaf 500. Another one.
Hello, sir. Okay. Go for Malam. Yes, sir.
So, now 500 naira water leaf it is.
Yes, 500.
Water leaf wey dey very cheap before. So now 2 bunches now be 1,000.
I want 200.
No, give me this one too. How much?
This 2,000.
2,000 k.
1,800. This 1,500. This 200.
What? This 1,500.
Yes. This
Leave 1,000.
I get this one now.
Collect am for here. Ma collect am from here. Okay. 2,000 naira. Put jara o.
Why can't you buy 2,000?
Leave am.
1,000. Eh, madam, you don't go put the jara again.
Yeah, I think you said 2,000.
Hey. Bros, no put bone for me. Oh. Fetch meat. You know see meat. Eh. Which one? No be leg in the touch for me. No be flesh be this.
This one like this go guys, go.
Waiting be that. No use with mouth. Give me bad meat. So. Madam, take 2,000.
Yes, so.
Voila. 2,000 naira meat.
Yes, so now Tinubu.
Now Tinubu na me bottom.
Thank you.
Now you sabi.
Ọmọ jàgbé ni. 500. Wọ́n ṣe jàgbé fún mi. Give me nylon.
Where the 500 naira? This ones.
Oh, that's fine. Look, I open nylon.
And that's it for today's market series. Thank you guys for coming along with me. Kindly do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.